Welcome back to another plant-based meal. Today we have a creamy vegan tomato soup. We're going to start off with 2 pounds of cherry tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomato, but I think the cherry tomato kind of gives it that bright poppin' flavor. An onion quartered, 2 Yukon Gold potatoes kind of chopped up. 2 heads of garlic. You want to chop off the top and kind of get some of that paper off so it has access to get some of that salt and garlic and olive oil. Mix it all up. Make sure your kid doesn't throw in a random toy, you know. This is what it looks like after about 45 minutes in the oven at 450 degrees. Throw it all into a pot with a 1.5 cups of veggie broth. I just do water and the veggie bouillon you can throw in there. Squeeze in your garlic when you can handle it and it's not too hard. I've got those weird asbestos hands after working food service for 10 years, so this wasn't too bad for me, but yes, please don't burn yourself. Add some salt and pepper. This is just to make sure the broth is heated up evenly with all the other stuff because it is still cooked. Add some basil. Fresh basil would be preferable, obviously, but I didn't have any, so I added about a tablespoon of dried. Use your immersion blender or a blender, but be careful with that, please. Make sure it's nice and blended. The potato is what makes this so creamy for a plant-based soup. And of course, we're gonna serve this with the grilled cheese. We're gonna try these BioLife cheddar slices. These are actually really good, very convincing for a vegan cheese on some thick sourdough bread. Look at that beautiful color. And there we go. You can't serve tomato soup without a grilled cheese. It brings me back to my childhood. Thanks for watching. DJ, what'd you do? What did he do? What happened?